The desktop computer is dead. Or at least, that's what they wanted you to believe. For a decade, the world moved to laptops, tablets, and phones, leaving the tower behind as a relic of the past. But while everyone was looking at the MacBook, Apple was working on a secret project in the basement of Cupertino. They were perfecting a device so small it could hide behind a monitor, yet so powerful it could outperform a $5,000 workstation. Today, that project has reached its final, most lethal form. This is the Mac Mini M5. And it is about to make your current computer look like a calculator. Why is there so much hype around a silver box that hasn't changed its footprint in years? Because the M5 chip isn't just an upgrade. It's a paradigm shift. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are talking about the first consumer desktop built entirely around the 2nm architecture, a scale of engineering so small that atoms are practically touching. This isn't just about opening Chrome tabs faster. This is about changing what is possible on a desk. This is the story of how the Mac Mini stopped being the budget Mac and became the powerhouse Mac. Imagine waking up, sitting at your desk, and pressing a button. In less than 3 seconds, your entire workspace is ready. You aren't just looking at a desktop, you are looking at a machine that can process 40 trillion operations per second. The M5 chip inside this Mac Mini features a redesigned neural engine specifically tuned for local artificial intelligence. While the rest of the world is waiting for the cloud to process their data, you are running entire language models, generating 8K video effects, and compiling millions of lines of code locally, privately, and instantly. This is the American dream of productivity realized in a block of aluminum. Let's talk about the thermal miracle. One of the biggest complaints about small computers has always been heat. If you push them, they throttle. If they throttle, you lose money. But with the M5 Mac Mini, Apple has introduced a revolutionary liquid phase cooling system borrowed from aerospace technology. There are no fans screaming like jet engines when you're exporting a video. It is silent. It is cool. It is invisible. You can push this machine to its absolute limit for 24 hours straight, and it won't drop a single frame. For the creative professional in New York or the software engineer in Silicon Valley, this silence is the ultimate luxury. But the real magic happens in the ports. For the first time, Apple is rumored to be bringing Thunderbolt 5 to the Mini. We are talking about 120 gigabits per second of data transfer. That means you can connect 3 6K Pro Display XDRs and still have bandwidth left over for an external RAID array that moves files faster than you can blink. This isn't just a computer. It's the brain of a multi-monitor, high-bandwidth nerve center. The Mac Mini M5 is finally breaking the chains of entry-level connectivity. Why does this matter to you? Because the way we work has changed. We are in the era of the solopreneur. One person is now the director, the editor, the coder, and the CEO. You don't have a team, you have a Mac. The M5 is designed to be that team. With unified memory architecture that now scales up to 128 gigabytes on the Pro variant of the Mini, the bottleneck is no longer the machine. The bottleneck is your imagination.